What's going on, Mother Truckers? It's Alex Mai with Mother Trucker News. On this channel, we talk about making money in trucking, just everything from the finance, investing, and just how trucking works, especially with trucking news. Now, here's the thing. We want to give a shout out today to someone that is a unsung hero, someone that's helping people and no one's giving shine to. You know, Matthew Ramirez, we thank you so much. He was in Georgia, and when he was driving on the highway, this Jeep was driving and the semi truck was coming from the other direction and turning in and did not see the Jeep. And that Jeep went, I would say, 55 miles, maybe 60 miles an hour into that semi truck. You know, Matthew went, turned, stopped, ran, and then checked on the four-wheeler, checked on the truck driver. There were no injuries, and lucky for that, and he stayed until ambulance came and everyone was okay. He was a little bit late to his delivery, but he was okay with that. Mother Truckers, you know, comment down below. Matthew even asked, who do you think was in the wrong? Honestly, on this one, it looks like the semi-truck driver was in the wrong. I mean, debate me on this. Let me know what you think. But it looked like that Jeep was driving straight and tried to kind of slow down and maneuver when he finally saw that that semi-truck driver jolted and turned in. And then he just smacked right into his side. But with that said, make sure you have a dash cam. I'm glad everybody's okay. But overall, Matthew, thank you so much for being a hero and just being a citizen, man. We appreciate you so much, and thank you for this. Mother Truckers, comment down below. Just on the toilet, and I was just thinking about the struggles that we go through. And I wrote a little poem about the struggles that we feel. And it just goes like, we talk, we tip, we move, we going. We survive, we hunt, we live with Ronins. We leave our house, our wives, our kids, we start, we rolling. Travel across the road like oceans. Like Batman, we're not wanted, sometimes hated but needed. They want our lows but don't want to see us. But without us, the economy would just crash. I mean, crash faster than Swift's best in class. We're over-regulated, FMCSA hated, controlled by DOT, a little screen called ELD that tells us when we can drive and just sleep. But still, they want to replace us, and at times it just feels like it's a struggle. But I'm gonna say this from my chest. Hear me out right here. We're the hardest working Americans, but treated like second-class citizens, and still they want to replace us with machines again. Why? Because they would rather spend $1 million not to use us. But all we really want is decent wage and not abuse us. But we got to make a change. I'll give it my best go. I mean, they call me the Mother Trucker, so let's go. Let's make it happen.